Okay, hi there. I'm quickly going to go through this activity. Now, obviously, 8-9A, I want you to mark it. And 9B, unfortunately, I haven't seen them very often. So I just want them to go through it with me so that they understand. Okay, so give the meanings of the following terms. You only had to do 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. So give the meanings of the following terms. Combustion. So combustion is a reaction with oxygen to form, to release energy in the form of heat and light. Okay, I maybe should have written this on something else. Okay, so it's a reaction with oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light. Okay, corrosion. Now, corrosion is in the notes, and it says it's a weakening of a substance due to the interaction with its environment. Okay, weakening of a substance due to the interaction with its environment. Write a general word equation to represent the metal reacting with oxygen. So metal, this is a general equation. You just say the word metal because it's a general word for all the metals. Plus oxygen. Now, girls, when we say a word equation, we just mean you have your pluses and your arrows. You're just writing it out, the reactants and products in words. So metal plus oxygen to give you a metal oxide. That is what is called a general equation. And so you can apply this to pretty much anything. Sodium, lithium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, iron, zinc, copper, manganese, all of those metals plus oxygen, and then you just substitute their names in. Okay. Number 5, state 4 safety points to consider when you're using a Bunsen burner. So number 1, you must never turn it on before you have lit the match. Okay, you always light the match first and then you turn it on. You always make sure that the gas is turned off. You don't wear anything that is flammable. Make sure your hair is tied up, girls, and also you can wear goggles with it to protect your eyes from anything that might explode if you put it on the Bunsen burner. And normally what happens is when you have a beaker on the burner, we have gas burners, and sometimes we put a test tube with substances in the test tube in water so that it's a bit safer. You never face the test tube towards yourself. You always face it away. So this will be your face. Okay. I don't know what I'm drawing. Okay, so there's your face. And so the test tube always moves away from you. So whatever things you've seen in the textbook that you can then think of safety points. I'm not sure about using a lab coat as a safety point for using a Bunsen burner, because if it's too big for you, it's going to hang and dangle and it could actually catch a light. So tight fitting clothing, I would say, have a fire extinguisher at hand, things like that. Okay. All right. Then what conditions are required to form rust? So firstly, you need iron. Okay. And you need oxygen or air. And you need in the presence of water. So you need oxygen, you need iron, and you need it to be in the presence of water. So those are the 3 requirements. And then describe 2 methods of reducing rust formation. You can paint an object so that you have eliminated the oxygen part, okay, and the water really. If you put a coating over it, you're eliminating those 2. And if you galvanize it, which is the electrolysis of zinc plating on something that's made of iron, and the zinc protects the iron, so it also eliminates the oxygen and water from being on it. Okay, so very quick 5-minute video. I hope you have a good day, and you can then watch 9A, you can watch the YouTube video of sulfur burning. And then 9B, I want you to just do task 4 quickly. It won't take you long.